Hopefully we'll have this done quickly because it is heating up. Let's get this deck in. The sweat is real. Holy! Okay. It is hot back here. Woo! Tyler and Alex have a backyard with a ton of potential, but it just hasn't been on their playlist yet. Now, as a musician, Tyler is going to get busy, but before he goes on tour, they'd like to have an outdoor space that they can relax and enjoy. So I'm gonna create an outdoor oasis for them that hits all the right notes.
I'm Tyler Shaw, and I am a singer-songwriter-producer.
And I'm Alex, Tyler's wife. I do ultrasound at a hospital.
We need Scott's help because we wanted the space to represent who we are as people. And we love to have friends over, we love to entertain people, so we needed a space that we're able to do that. I think Scott can pull this off. Yeah, he's
I've seen him do some pretty crazy things in a day.
He's a miracle man, so. Good morning, Scott.
Tyler, Alex, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good, come outside. I wasn't sure how early to knock on the door because we already got started out back.
We're early risers, so.
All right, good. So tell me about your backyard.
Well, currently it is all stone and very cold and not a representation of us at all. So yeah, we're looking to have more of an entertainment space so we can have the backyard parties, we can have people over and entertain, cook food, hang out, socialize, because relationships and friendships are important to us. So.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, we have a very ambitious plan today.
Okay.
We've already gotten to work. We're digging posts, we're putting up the structure, we're getting ready to build the deck, and that is just the beginning. But we also have some decisions that need to be made today.
Okay.
We are gonna do a Home Depot run, so need a decision as to whether you guys wanna go with something a little more modern, a little lighter, or if you're looking for something that's got more earth tones to it, a little more natural, conventional wood style. Both are composites.
You're leaning towards that way?
I like this one a lot.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Good.
I like this one.
I want the left too, so we're on the same page.
Yeah.
This is good.
You just said what she said.
This is true.
It's warm, it's inviting, and that's what we're looking for,
Yeah.
so.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And I have big plans for you guys as well. I'm putting you to work.
Okay, we're ready.
Okay, good. We'll see you guys really soon. Thank you.
Good.
Bye,
Thanks,
Scott.
Scott.
So we have a lot to do today, boys.
It's gonna be a big day.
It is. We've got a lot of room for some amazing deck work. I got a new door coming. We got new paint on the property. And I got a whole bunch of things we need to build on top of here. So let me grab the plans, make sure we're on the same page. Here we are.
That's all we have to do in a day.
That's all we have to do. It's a big job.
It is.
It wouldn't have been possible without doing the helical piles. The techno metal posts are in, so we can build the deck in a day.
Absolutely. Our Micro Pro Sienna frame is in place, so I think we're ready for decking.
Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna pick up the rest of the materials. It's gonna get hot, it's gonna get sweaty, but we gotta get her done.
I'm excited.
Thanks, boys. The new door looks good. And we got 2 doors going in today, right?
Yes, sir.
We got the one for the back fence, which is just gonna be a simple slab.
Slab, yes, sir.
And then we have our full window light door going in here at the back, correct? And we can get all this done today?
Absolutely, that's the plan.
All right, it's our ambitious agenda. Let's get her done. Oh my gosh, come on. Like a glove. Beautiful. We're not gonna do anything to harm the tree, so we gotta leave it like that. So if we're gonna do a 6-foot border around this, we fill it with dirt, we can plant a few things and put mulch in there, and it becomes a small garden. We're getting our Toya Grid pergola assembled and ready to go so we can fly it onto the deck as soon as all the boards go down. All right, I got the last Toya bracket here. The key is that we can pretty much customize these to any size. And the bracket's gonna give us the ability to kind of keep a nice stable corner.
Yep.
Get this done really quick, super versatile. The sooner we get shade on that deck, the better. Okay, Tyler and Alex, I have a project for you.
Okay.
All right, we want to set up these planters, and again, because we've got that LA vibe
Yes.
in the yard,
Yeah.
we're keeping it very kind of drought tolerant, almost like a cactus style plant. So if you guys can fill the planters with potting soil, I have some soil here.
Cool.
It's easy, nice drainage to it. So this is what we're looking at.
Cool.
Planter number 1,
Perfect.
planter number 2. Keep
Okay.
everything evenly spaced. Can we handle this?
Yes, we can.
We can do it.
Okay, this should keep you guys busy out front while we continue to be busy out back.
Awesome.
We're getting close, I promise.
All right, Scott. You got it? Ooh, nice.
Awesome.
Looks good, right?
Tyler and Alex's backyard is starting to sing, a lot like him. This brand new Pollard door looks really slick, nicely done, and it blends in well with our new blue color that we've painted all the siding. Our tropical Mari deck boards look beautiful back here. How's the fence coming along, Mark?
Amazing.
Amazing. This brand new fence is actually just cladding on top of the old existing one to try to get it to match the other side, and it looks good. Gentlemen, we're getting the last of the composite boards down.
Yes, sir.
All right, Dave and Joey, always working hard, which we need on a day like today. And as soon as we get the rest of the deck boards down, we can get our back fence on. Our Toya grid, we've already pre-assembled, which will be nice to fly that in here because we could use some shade. We're all getting pretty hot and sweaty, but it's looking good. And we're about to have a California-style backyard right in the city. Joey. This one we're gonna hang on the back side.
Yes, sir.
And we're gonna run a rail. So we'll be able to slide it open and close. Doesn't swing, doesn't hit any vehicles. So as soon as we get that fence up,
Door will be in.
well, we made a bit of a mess out here. And now I'm gonna clean everything off, super easy. I'm gonna use some Windex outdoor so that everything out here is gonna be clean, sparkly, and streak-free. All right, rinse, here we go. Oh, look how filthy that is. Okay, clean time. Oh, soapy. Okay then. Now wait 15 seconds. I rinse again. We should be streak-free. Voila! It's looking good. We're getting clean out here. Oh, almost done. Boy, we're getting this deck dressed up. It's almost ready to be used. But there's a few essentials that we need. Some glasses, a candle, a few water balloons to cool off, because boy, it gets hot, and that sunscreen would be helpful. Because this is gonna be a deck that you can enjoy late at night, a little bit of off deep woods, mosquito repellent, woo, DEET free, long lasting, so the party can keep going. Guess
Hello?
what?
What?
Is it
You
done?
don't have to sit out here in the sun anymore.
Okay.
We have your California-inspired yard ready to go.
Can't wait. Oh, I'm so ready.
Let's go after
it.
you guys.
Are you kidding?
Oh my
Is this
god.
our house? I didn't want to cry, but holy
Oh my god.
cow!
Big changes back
What
here.
a difference. Holy
Oh.
cow. This is a true entertainment
I can-
spot.
I'll walk you
Wow.
through visually because you're gonna miss a million things.
Oh,
it's
for sure.
I'm
very
still like
overwhelming.
taking everything
Gotta
in.
take it in.
We have the ramp around back. We did the nice railing to kind of hide the air conditioner
Totally,
back there.
totally, yeah.
We did a brand new pollard door here with the
Love
full
the
window
door.
light.
Love the door, yeah.
Yeah.
It'll bring a lot of light in. That's
Definitely.
awesome.
And you've got the vertical blinds in the glass, so you
Yep.
don't have to worry about them getting all messed up. They're
Right.
easy to adjust.
Right.
Now you can admire what we call the Toya grid. Toya makes these brackets,
Cool.
which are like these indestructible and easy to install brackets. It allows us to make these 6x6s very quickly into something that gives us a bit of height
Yep.
Yeah.
and a lot of shade, because I'll tell you, back here was hot.
Yeah.
It gets hot back here, yeah.
We even integrated a flower box around the tree because
Oh, amazing.
we couldn't
Oh,
put
yeah,
a
you sold
structure
the
near the
blocks.
roots,
Yeah.
right?
True, true.
So I
Oh,
used
that's
deck
so
boards, we mitered the corners, we tied it all in, did a
my
few
God.
tall grasses there. Just that's your sort of natural
Oh,
corner.
that's amazing. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And with the gray, you got the gray furniture, so you
I
got a
love
best of both worlds.
the colors are spot on.
Perfect. And with the
Honestly, spot
blue,
on.
like
Yeah,
everything just,
exactly.
oh, it works so well.
The privacy wall at the back, we even put the hanging door, which from here you can see it just slides to the left.
slides.
yeah.
Yeah, no, it
Okay.
slides. It doesn't swing because I thought when you guys pull in, you don't want to hit the car.
Fair.
So it'll just slide across.
This is a cool door.
The last thing I wanted to point out is that the decking that you guys picked, so this is the veranda decking, we managed to get them long enough so that you have absolutely no seams end to end.
Zero seams. I love
Zero
that.
seams. It's
Crazy.
I love
very clean. This is our clean California look here.
That's what it is.
Looking clean.
I know you guys have been waiting for this for a long time.
Yeah.
So please go ahead, relax and enjoy. But when you release the new album and you celebrate with a party here, I want an invitation.
You will be the first one to know.
Okay, good.
But before that, I got a song for you. Got my guitar here.
Oh yeah. I feel like I need to sit down for this.
Here we go.
Thank you, Scott and friends, for fixing our backyard. You did it in a day, and we are so amazed. So thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah!
But I gotta go. All I want is front seat tickets to your next show. So enjoy the yard. We'll see you later.
All right.